Starting the video off with an apology. Some of you will have been expecting a video out on Sunday. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. A good friend of mine, he came up and videoed the Gullwing the day we finished it and the day before we left for Ultrace. Unfortunately, his laptop decided to die and he wasn't able to upload it in time for Sunday. This is just a video of me and Josh going to Ultrace and just enjoying ourselves and really having the weekend off. So once again, apologies for not getting a video out. I hope this makes up for it. 4:46, made it here. Time did we set off? About 11:15?
11:15, yeah.
Yeah, we got here about 10-15 minutes ago, didn't we? Yeah, made it down in one piece, no issues. Just took us a little bit longer than normal because somebody decided that it'd be a good idea to put 50 mile, make the M1 and the M25 a 50 mile an hour zone. All of it. Yeah. It's 7:30 and we've just arrived in Magdeburg. So we've got about 4.5 hours to do tomorrow. But we've arrived at the MDG hotel. The car's got here, no problems whatsoever. Put some new rubbers on the door, so I've just had to leave the door open on first latch, that's why I put some blue tape around it. So we don't get any water in, but it's been fine. This is our little room, 47 quid. Can't go wrong for this. So loads of storage, oh god. Loads of storage, little hob. What's that? Oh, that's the bin. Sink, cutlery, fridge, freezer, TV, beds, and a lovely big bathroom. That's nice, 47 quid for that night. So if you come in again, I definitely would recommend here. So we're just going through the Polish border now.
As you can see, obviously on some sides there, you can see the police sat in the corner. There's the Polish, there you go, and there's the Polish border right there, just past it.
Rockford, right in front of us, on the side.
En route, we've got, I don't know if you can see, 1 hour 54 minutes left to Ultrace.
czekaj, bo...
I hope you can hear me. We're down here at the Drift Works now, down at Ultrace, and we're going to have a quick go in one of the, what they call the drift taxis, so it's next level. They've all set up all these taxis to take you around. I think we got about 2 or 3 laps going around in various cars. It is absolutely sweltering, as you can see here. This guy is absolutely dripping wet through. Yeah. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. We've had a crash. We've had a crash. I don't know if I got that. I hope I did. So that's second time because of the crash earlier. So we're going to chase this Lexus down. I wish you could feel the G-forces in this thing. There we go, come on, give it some. Yes. We're the side of it, we're the side of it. Oh my God. Ultrace for us. We're going to be leaving in a minute. We just thought we'd line up some of the biggest bends in the show. So we've got Alex with his 190. Absolutely so freaking cool this is. Then you got Ray. Ray from Root Bends, he helped me do my wheels. Cool cars. As soon as we started pulling up with all the Benzes, everybody appeared. So I'm going to sign off. It's been an absolutely mental weekend at Ultrace. You've never ever been to Ultrace in Poland. You don't know what you're missing. You need to get yourself over here. Okay. I hope you've liked what you've seen. I know it's been probably short. I don't know what I'm going to stick together in this video. But keep watching for the next video. Like and subscribe. See you soon.